dyan, Ella. We're just gonna check here. See? Oy, wala pang nagsiswimming. See?
You're at the top now.
Wala pa, oh. Kahapon meron. Mahangin yata kasi, oh. So, yeah. Let's wait. If there's someone is there, we can go too, okay?
No, we can check the time. He says
We can wait for Daddy when Daddy is awake na.
No.
A few moments later.
Wait, guys. Meron?
There's all the kids.
Saan ang pang-kids yun?
I cannot see any kids. No, but they look like a kid.
Mababa
That
yan.
one looks like a kid.
Sa gilid-gilid lang.
It's a steak.
Oo, doon lang sila sa ano.
Sandanan?
Oo.
O, tara, doon na kayo sa sandanan.
Pwede mo rin samahan.
Go.
Oh, pindot mo. Bukas tayo ulit maaga. Balik tayo para kunin yung towel ng mga tiyanaks.
I'm so excited.
Ay, medyo malamig-lamig ah. No?
We're ready to go swimming.
Tapos na sila eh. Kasi makulimlim. Tara ni Ella. Babalik namin yung nabili ko sa Costco. Hindi kasya kay Kaden. Ayan na guys. Nasa gilid lang. Oh, sige na. Sa inyo na. Solo niya na. Tara! Inarkila. Inarkila nila. Yan. Lamig. Saglit lang yan. Mapagbigyan lang sila. Tas bukas ulit. Pag maaraw.
Hanggang alas 12 ako.
Mga tanghali. Punta tayo. Magsiswimming na din ako. Ayan na guys.
Why is the water different colors? I see.
Ganda poli.
Takot? Takot yarn? You jump, 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 anak.
No way! I'm drowning!
Arte.
What about? Let's be transformed.
Meron nagsiswimming kanina dito kami. Yung duck ba yan?
Oh?
Oo.
Bakit nila,
Dalawa sila nandito.
bakit nila pinag-swim?
I want to see. I want to
Residente yata sila dito.
Yung duck? Ah, baka hindi nila nakita.
Ducky.
Kaninang umaga?
Pagkarating ko, dalawa dito.
Dapat sinasabi yun.
Kaya may feather dito.
Ella, smile! May tatambayan na sila lagi, Daryl, every weekend. May tatambayan na sila every weekend. Kailangan matuto na si Kaden. Kaden, step! Kaden, you step on it.
Step on it. You're tall enough.
You'll get your iPad if you step and walk.
Oh, break. Okay.
Oh.
See, you can step naman.
Oh.
Just stand jump. Just jump, jump, jump. Oh, don't go up, ah. Just stay there.
Jump, jump, jump lang. Jump, 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 Kaden. Oh, see?
And then you're going to get, you're going to get your ganito para lulutang ka pa.
Look, it feels like I'm jumping on the moon.
Mm-mm.
Look, I'm jumping on the moon, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're floating, Ella.
This feels like
Oh,
I'm
you're
jumping on the
floating.
moon.
I'm not holding you.
Jump ba? Nagpa-float siya?
Oo, nilitawan ko kanina eh.
Ah.
Kumapit.
Oh, yan no, nagpa-float. Oh, see? You know how to swim na. Oh, go Ella. Oh. Bitawan mo siya konti. Oh, go Ella.
I like the swimming. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, kick, Ella. Go.
I'm holding the bag.
Oh, go Ella. Oh. Oh. Galing nga. Oh, kick Ella. Oh. Oh, marunong na. Marunong na.
I cannot run. I would try to run on water.
Only straight like that. It's deep there. Only here.
I cannot run on water.
Yes, we can.
No, I cannot.
Slowly.
Go Ella.
I just want to run on water.
You can do it, Ella. Go. Competitive yarn.
Oo.
Oh, go Ella.
Bante na alam niyang may nakakakap pero kung hindi niyang hindi na nakakap.
Kakabahan. Siyempre. Oh, go Ella. Ay, sus. Nakainom.
Nakainom ka? You drink?
Run! Emma, turn into a water zombie! Run! Run! Run!
You kick, Ella, kick. Uy, very good. Uy.
A zombie! Run! I gotta go!
Ang OA.
Okay, I will be brave for an iPad.
Yeah.
Hindi na yung balloon. Ball.
Ay, oo.
Yung galing sa Pilipinas pa. Puti na may kulay.
O, lagyan na natin ng hangin.
Hangin na lang. Saan ba yun? Nakita ko yun eh. Kakalat na
They
lang.
can release wave
Maglilinis ako mamaya sa kabila.
power. Wave power. Oh no, Jesus goes backwards.
Happy yarn.
So,
Ngayaan mo siyang mag-kick-kick.
okay. Your feet.
Like that. Your hands. Huwag dyan sa malalim.
Oh no, Ella's gonna drown.
Now,
What the fuck?
Ella knows how to swim na. Oh.
You will. Ah! Oh. I can do this.
okay. Kick. Okay.
Black white.
Up, down, up, down. One by one. Yeah. Like that.
Malamig pa, hindi na.
Hindi na. Nandito ako pero mamaya pagkahon ko sobrang lamig.
Okay, then you come here nga.
I'll say a fight.
You walk, if you want to get your iPad, you come here.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna do play for an iPad. I'm gonna walk here. I got the last corner.
Pwede tayo dun
I
sa
did
kabila.
it, mommy.
Oo,
So can I
diba?
get it?
Maghalo-halo. Or dito. Dito yung event center sana ni Ella sa birthday niya na cancel dahil nagkasakit kami. Lakas ng hangin na.
Yeah.
Dalawa.
Malamang hindi na naman ako kasama.
Kasi sabi mo. Hindi si Kate. Pwede kayong share ni Ella. Yakapin mo na lang siya. Tsaka may t-shirt ka namang tuyo.
Aha. What?
Punas ka muna, then ano.
Oh, naka-ready na ba? Anong oras na ba? Alas 3.
Tulo na si Ella, oh.
Water. butter for life. So guys, I'll get you.
Pag alam niyang ano na, kakabahan.
Let's do it.
Oh, go Ella! Sige! Swim! Move your legs! Try mong anuhin. Try mong bitawan. Try mong bitawan. Ay, baka makainom ulit.
Is where you can name your country.
Tinitignan ka na.
All of that. Songs on it.
Huwag ganyan.
Did I win? Did I win?
I don't know.
I win. Okay, win. So we got all of the Pause! Please, pause!
Na nilang mo.
We're going to watch na.
No!
Daddy is going to work pa.
That is going to work pa.
Tomorrow again.
We can
Look, oh, there's a dog, oh.
Ha? Suhulan niya para umahon na tong dalawang to.
But I have not put to Maya.
Yeah, you know, we're coming back here. You want to come back here?
Yes, happy night.
What? We're going to dry it so you can wear it again tomorrow.
Yung swimsuit niya ang problema niya?
Oh. Sweat me daw.
Ay, sweat na?
Oh, come on na.
Pwede naman labahan, anak.
Mommy, I waited for so long that it feels like my sister's made of weight.
Hello!
It feels like my sister's made of weight.
Yes.
I'm so
Hold it like that.
And pabalik na tayo sa bahay. Ella! May dinosaur. Bitin na sa kanya. Oo nga. Hala, hanapin ko nga yung Spider-Man na pang beach niya.
What?
Na towel, no? Yan. Perks ng ano. Nasa apartment na mayroong ano, swimming pool. Hindi na namin kailangang pumunta sa mga swimming pool para magbayad. Kasama na siya sa amenities dito.
It's a spike.
Yeah, may spike ka.
Don't step on
Oy,
me.
Ella!
Please don't step on me, or else your feet will be hurt. Because this is a very sharp spike. Ouch! Can you go back?
Can you go
Here's your
down?
teeth, oh. Here's your teeth, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Lo, nangitim ka agad? Are you going to swim again tomorrow?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You say hi, ka-dreamers.
Hi.
Tido, mahilig sa paa. Pag si Kaden dinidilaan niya ng ganyan, sabi niya, ay, Mami! Dinilaan na naman ako ni Tido! O, diba? Ganda ng color ng eyes niya. Diba? Pakundo. Guys, Tido, ganyan ang setup niya pag natutulog kami. Lagi lang siyang nakabantay dyan. Hindi siya pumapasok sa mga rooms kasi ayaw namin pumasok siya doon. Masanay. So yan, gorgeous si Bill siya. Ka-dreamers! How was Ella?
Turn left on Green Falls Drive, then turn
Where
right
are we
on
going
Chico
today?
I don't want to go there.
Where?
Boulevard. At the light, turn left on Chico Boulevard.
I don't want.
Sad sila. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng Valley Village para
Why are you going
i-donate
there?
yung mga stuffed
I don't want to go
toys,
there.
2 bed ng bata. Hopefully, tanggapin nila doon. No? Tatanggapin kaya?
Meron naman drop-off dun, eh.
So, yun. Para din mapakinabangan. Hindi pa yun nagagamit ng masyado. So, yan nakatampak. Eh, ayaw na naming dalhin pa yan sa kung lilipat pa kami, gano'n, di ba?
Saskatchewan 33 West.
So, need natin mag-declutter. Medyo hindi okay ang panahon ngayon. Parang uulan, no?
May open house.
Ay, oo. Saan yan?
45
Green Polar.
Continue on
Ay, yun yung nakita ko sa ano, ngayon. Mamaya, punta natin. Sige, bibili na daw ng bahay si Daryl eh. Kaya mag-open house na siya. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi kami bibili kasi wala kaming pambili. Okay na? Okay na?
So, kung merong natatago,
Tutur lang namin kayo kung ano yung mga itsura ng mga bahay dito, ganon. Diba? Ang ganda ng purple na yun. Look at that, Ella. The purple flowers. On your side. Ah. Ang ganda. Favorite kasi ni Ella is purple. Is that your favorite color, anak? Your favorite color? Purple and pink. How about Kuya?
Green and yellow.
Green and yellow. How about Daddy?
red.
Red?
Blue.
Me,
Stoplight.
green. Guys, andito na kami sa Bala Village. Hopefully, sana makuha nila yung mga ibibigay naming stuff toys. Blanket.
A few moments later.
Guys, may binigay naman silang ganito. O, diba? Sayang din, pero hindi naman kami nabili na dyan. Bibigay ko na lang to sa ano. Ay, hanggang December 31 pa naman. So, tapos, ito daw yung sa mga mattress. Akala ko siguro nila mattress na sobrang gamit na.
Saan ka? Costco.
Yung babalik mo muna yung ano, di ba? Ano? Tapos babalik ka ulit. Ikaw. Grabe ang dilim na, guys. Dumi rin ang windshield natin. Babagsak na yung ulan. So, dito tayo dadaan. May waskala. Ang dami pa rin tao.
Yan ba yung mga food truck?
Saan yun? Ayun ba yun? Dapat maaga na tayong gumising nun. Para sa parking, no? Kasama na natin si Tito. Dito na kami, guys. Hold hands. Ayan. Excited na. Mag-play daw sila doon. Hello. Hey, smiling, smile. Ella.
Oh, it hurts. My hand hurts.
Let me see.
I hope I like it so many.
Oh, you go and touch it again.
No. Never. I would never have to take it to a test.
Wow, Ella is a driver. Ayaw niyang... Wow, you're so... Nakakatawa naman to. Uy, parang hirap na hirap yung car. Ella! Say hi! Ella! Driver yarn. Mga Canadians dito, ano, walang tingin-tingin pag nagtatawid sila kasi alam nilang mag-i-stop yung driver.
In 600 meters,
Pero nakakatakot na ngayon kasi nga halo na, di ba?
Saskatchewan 1 East.
Pati mga bata, hinahayaan nila.
Because you can...
Go to the park.
But I just want.
Oh, what do you want to eat muna?
Why? I don't want to eat.
We have a picnic.
Yay, picnic. I don't want iPad. Go there!
New playground, guys.
Park close. Saan yung parkingan? Ito mag-park dyan, no? Kaya naman na no parking. O meron. Parang meron na pala.
Hanap ka na lang dyan sa gilid ng mga bahay-bahay. Pretend ka na lang na dyan ka nakatira. Baka matiketan ka pa dito eh. Walang
Parcel,
nagpa-park dito.
Alam.
Saan? Saan yung parcel? Tara at bilhin mo na. Wala no.
Meron mga nakapagko.
Yun sa gilid. Dito na. Sa likod.
Wala, at least malapit.
Like when we go somewhere new, we lock like the park, for example, we unlock it. Just because we haven't been there before, so we unlocked it. Finally, the
Ayan guys, pupunta na tayo dito sa bagong park na bagong napuntahan namin. Hindi na siya totally bago pero 'di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, 'di ba? Smile. Okay na. Oops! Find that gem.
no, like you mean when I get it, you have to write it down.
Ah, okay.
Then I can then you have when we write the object that then we can find it.
Guys, may kakaibang ibon. Zoom pa natin. Blue yung... Oh, diba? Ang galing. So, may mga dandelions na. Ayan. Hangin. Ito yung neighborhood nila dito. Mga bahay dito siguro 600 something na yan. One more time. Oh, you say it loud. Hindi yan kasi doon oh. Let's get this one. Ito oh, ito oh. Aiden, say hi.
Hi.
You're driving? You're driving the ship. You stand up ah.
No, I'm so scared you'll fall.
No, here. You stand there. Oh, it's okay. I can block here. Oh, go stand na.
No,
Sige na.
parking this empty.
So you can see the telescope. Oh. Mm.
Okay, I'll
Oh.
try.
Brave. See?
See if I right.
Oh, I can see it. Oh.
That's the aisle.
Which one? You see me here?
The white car is the aisle.
Smile, picture. Where's Ella? Oh, let's see Kuya muna. Oh, Kuya, go. Cross the bridge. Say hi.
Hi, I'm gonna find Daddy with the test across the ocean in a new land. And because he's there to
Okay.
Daddy is coming in new land, so I have to fight you. I see Daddy in the new land. I have to.
It's a pirate ship.
Yeah.
Is nagpapaaraw tayo. Taray, nagpapaaraw. Habang hinihintay silang mag-enjoy muna.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys. Malapit lang pala kami dito sa park.
Pwede na.
Ano,
Walk yan.
may ano siya, tawag dito, tawag. Ay, si Kuya, oh.
Sino yan? Kuya wa.
Yung kinanong birthday nila, ano nun, yung nila sis ano. Na guys, titignan natin yung binibentang bahay dito sa malapit sa amin. Open house siya. Meaning open house, pwede niyong tignan. So yan guys, pumunta tayo dito sa open house.
Hindi, titingin lang.
Open house!
Yan na.
Saan tayo? The house?
Yeah.
Mami, pick. Gusto mo ano?
Bago pa isang taon lang oo nga, isang taon hindi ipo-post ko na lang yung ano picture nila dito. Isang taon pa yun eh. Isang taon lang nila natirhan, no?
Sa karate yan?
Oo. Kasi nga daw yung tatay hindi kayang umakyat na.
Yung una, ayaw. Dahil hindi pa na. Pero nung na-PR, pumunta na parang may problema sa paan. Hindi pwede sa mga hagdanan. Bumili ng iba na parang
Pero grabe yung price guys ha. 539 na siya oh. $500,000. Pansin guys na may parkingan pala na may bubong. VIP ba yan?
No, I need to poop.
Narinig sa vlog. Halas. Guys, back to reality.
Ito.